Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol USMJ. We will take a look at the daily time frame. I've done this one before, but it's been quite a while. I think literally months ago. But all of a sudden, I had some requests on it, and I pulled up the chart, and absolutely massive volume today. And to go along with the mass volume, the price reacted very nicely with it, which does bring up a very logical question. And that question revolves around the fact that, okay, yeah, today was a very interesting day, good volume, good price reaction. But is there any sort of true power behind this move? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, one day wonder, whatever you want to call it, dead cat bounce? I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level, and that's why I love charts, makes things very straightforward. And that level is right here at 0004. And, this is, will be a good example of how kind of charts insult your intelligence, but, that's why I love them. So does today's move mean anything? Is this the start of something bigger? Is there any sort of genuine power? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that if there is true power behind this move, if there is genuine strength, then the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 0004. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it's been trapped for basically the past several weeks. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, and then bounces around a little bit before heading back up. Well, what would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have progress being made in the upwards direction. So to me, it's all about support levels. Yeah, resistances are important. Yeah, you want to break levels of resistance. But going forward, it's all about especially on these 000 stocks, can the bulls build some stair steps in the upwards direction? So 0004, definitely a very important level of support. What about areas of resistance? For this, the one that really stands out to me is right up there at 0006. You can see back here through the history of the chart. This is quite the history of knocking down the price. So 0006, next kind of key public enemy for the bulls. No doubt about it, though. You got to give full credit where it's due. The bulls were definitely making some noise today, so now it's just a matter of can they build upon this momentum next week? We shall see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.